see the JTEKT's advanced machine in action. One highlight is the JTEKT G3P50 CNC cylindrical grinder, a powerful, easy-to-use and high-precision machine designed for efficient and affordable grinding. We offer two options of the machine to meet a variety of machine requirements. The general-purpose G3P50 is ideal for versatile machining. It features a 33 meters per second wheel speed, a 3.7 kilowatt drive motor, and a live or dead spindle workhead. It also includes a 3-jaw scroll chuck, making it suitable for a wide range of workpieces. The mass production G3P50 is optimized for higher efficiency and speed. It operates at a faster 45 meters per second wheel speed with a 5.5 kilowatt drive motor. It is also equipped with a dead spindle workhead and an auto sizer system, delivering greater precision and productivity for high-volume manufacturing. Both models are built with JTEKT's unique stat-daring technology, which combines static and dynamic pressure to ensure smooth operation, high accuracy, and reliability. With its user-friendly operation, eco-friendly design, and outstanding quality, the G3P50 is the perfect grinding solution for various industries.